two different water pipes used in the plumbing industry for residential use and perhaps commercial use too. The one on the left, these are different sizes, but for this video, just ignore the size difference. But we're actually this video is in regards to the type. This is PVC. This is CPVC. The powers that be kind of frown upon using hot water in the PVC pipe. So on the hot side, one may need to use CPVC. So again, reiterate, cold side PVC, hot side CPVC. Would it be okay to use cold on the CPVC? My opinion, it may be fine. Now, drawbacks. One, this is schedule 40, so it's a thicker wall. So if one has an elbow here, let's hypothetically say we get a cold front, drops down, starts to get towards that magic number of 32. Worst case scenario, power goes out. So HVAC system's not actually blowing and keeping things cool, etc. So anyway, my opinion is I have found the couplings and elbows can go bad on this. Rarely do I find a leak in the PVC. Now, on the other hand, the CPVC, when the magic number drops below 32 or say around 20, I have come across CPVC that's just splintered. So, question is, now again, reiterate, PVC cold, CPVC hot side. So, question now, temperature drops below 32. My opinion is I have seen a lot of the CPVC pipe in a time era of about a 20-year span, and you still see it in homes. Often this pipe here may have been put into a lot of tract homes. So a lot of those homes, or some of those homes, I shouldn't say a lot, stand to correct myself, but many of those homes are built on slab foundations, or I'm not sure if foundation's the correct word. They're slabs, so there there may not be a crawl space. So if you do not have a crawl space, it's going to be more difficult to work on this pipe. Now, if it's in the wall in the attic, it is accessible, so anything's possible. My opinion is I have come across pipes like this and behind walls, and worst case scenario come where you have one bathroom on one side, another bathroom on another side. A person puts a T up through here. This one pipe comes up through the concrete, a T here, a T here, a T here, and looked at the job and I'm like, man. And then you go into a bathroom and they've got hypothetically, let's draw a fictitious picture here. Say you go in, there's a beautiful sink, a beautiful toilet, a beautiful walk-in shower perhaps, and then you realize you've got all this behind the walls, which is not a big deal. It is very workable. But if the plumber comes in here and puts T's here, T's here, T's here, then you've got another bathroom. Once one begins to cut this, they have to be prepared to do a home run shot on the plumbing, because once the water line's cut, you either cap it or you either fix it. So the choices are 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 finite, I guess. I'm not certain if that's the correct word, but have come into situations where we get in behind the drywall and you see a T here, a T here, a T here, and then a worst case scenario where they use two bathrooms and use kind of jump from the same plumbing. And then the customer sometimes may not understand and may get mad at the contractor when the contractor tries to explain it. And but this may be the reason. So, but anyway, case in point here. CPVC for the hot side, PVC for the cold side. So again, PVC for the cold side, CPVC for the hot side, and both have been used for many, many years. Now, later pipe it comes into this PEX pipe, and this is a newer type pipe that many people are using now, and in it's a great pipe. So and it may have an expansion rate. So if you get ice in it, it may expand a little bit instead of just cracking. But anything's possible. And when you have water, when you have pressure, when you have high pressures, anything's possible. When you have low temperatures, when power outage, there's a lot of variables. So I hope this helps, and have a great day, and thank you for watching.